Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, hi.
Hi, TZverse.
We are finally back. It's what day is it today? It's
the
February. It's Frozen Day in Houston. It has never been frozen here like this before. So, we're gonna be showing you what a Frozen Day in Houston looks like. Maybe not much because Houston really isn't prepared for this type of weather. So we really can't leave our the area that we're in.
Yes, we cannot.
Also, by the way, we do want to take the time to let you know that Pretty's birthday is coming up. It's going to be exactly in 7 days, 1 week from now.
Yeah.
And we did plan a trip for her. We are going to be taking her to Austin, Texas because she loves the restaurants there. However, we are also recording because we do have to give her the bad news that we kind of have to cancel that trip.
Why?
Because of the ice, the mist.
It's gonna still be here?
Well, I was looking at the restaurant and the ice kind of messed up the piping of the restaurant that I had reserved for you. So we have to improvise. That means that your parents being as awesome as they are, they thought of everything, and they're gonna do something even better for you.
Even better?
Yeah, Miss Wita, what are we doing for her?
So for her birthday this year, the 11th birthday, we will be taking you to Disney World.
For real? Or is this a prank?
It's for real.
You're serious?
We're serious.
We're taking you to Disney World, baby.
Wait, I thought that would be icy too. No?
That's Florida. It don't snow down there. That barely gets cold.
So, and also, we will be flying over there.
Wait, that's in 1 week. That's so scary.
And we leave Sunday, so you better
Oh, I'm so scared. You're scared. I know you're scared too.
I am terrified.
These two are scared of heights, so
And we've never flown before.
this will be
Ever.
all of our first times flying.
Yeah.
So any tips are appreciated in the comment area because
Oh no.
I'm scared.
I don't even know what I can pack and what I can't.
I know, right?
So yes.
I guess.
I'm scared.
How does it?
Is it too late to cancel the tickets and we could just drive them?
No.
You already ordered them?
Yeah, it's already booked.
Oh, everyth's already done.
Airbnb. What?
Airbnb, not R&B music. We're taking you to Disney World in an airplane
Oh, that's
at
scary.
an Airbnb.
That's
Well, my
scary.
birthdays are never that cool.
What do you mean? We had a whole. What was it?
A whole lot of nothing. Actually, we knew that we were going to take you there since last year.
What?
Yeah.
So-
Everything was being canceled and stuff.
So you guys were never gonna take me to Austin?
No!
Should we tell her who's going with us or not yet?
Someone's going with us?
But yeah, we're not going alone.
We're not going alone.
We're not going alone.
Can you guess who's going with us though?
Nina. No, she's a little busy, right?
Nina's
Nope.
not gonna be able to go with us this year.
I was gonna say this one person, but like, I don't think so. I want to say child, but like, I don't think she would, right? Not child.
Sorry, no child.
Riri? No.
No Riri.
Is it one of my cousins, my family members?
I consider family.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
My best friend.
Cool.
Jelly, my only best friend. She's coming with the. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I just got egged on it.
No, it was bread. They're coming with us? Oh my Oh, we were like we wanted to go on a trip together, but like I guess like San Antonio or like something close. Disneyland together.
And how were y'all going to go on a trip together without telling us?
I know, but like,
these kids nowadays, they just make plans without their parents.
That's why we shouldn't get them phones. Oh wait, I got her a phone.
that was your idea. Well, TCvers, we are going to finish eating this delicious breakfast, and then we're gonna go outside and play in the snow because it is snowing.
Bacon.
But yes, we are gonna finish our biscuits, bacon, and eggs in our coffee. No, this is not a Starbucks coffee, but I had to trick my mind that I am drinking the Starbucks since we can't go out. So, cheers.
I want to say you can Uber Eats, but I'm like, no.
No, Daddy checked the Uber Eats, like there's nobody.
Nobody? Oh.
But see you later, TCvers.
What are you doing?
Watching Aladdin.
Oh, okay. So, guess what?
What?
Guess where I'm going for my birthday?
Well, I went to your grandma's house. You told me.
No. I'm going. Hi, Carmen. So, do you know where I'm going for my birthday?
You told me your grandma's house that you were gonna do a cake or something.
No, I'm not gonna go there. Oh, hi, Jeremiah. So, I am going to Disney World.
What?
And guess who's coming with me? Oh. And guess who's coming with me?
Disney World for her birthday. Lucky you.
Yeah, I'm excited. Oh. Guess who's coming with me?
Who?
My bestie.
That's me.
Yeah, that's you.
You're not the best.
You're
That was too funny.
Welcome to Wonderland. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at the icicles. So cute.
That fountain is throwing slushy.
That window right there. Goodness.
Hi, TCvers. So we are outside. It's so cold.
Ooh, what if we can ice skate in the pool?
It's snowing right now.
Yeah.
I see little flakes.
Me too. She's gonna do a little snowing. Crazy.
Guys. Is someone holding me on so ski? Oh, it's not that cold. Sorry. I'm so cold.
Fail.
Oh, I forgot. I'm so slippery on the foot. Ow.
So, did you give me some chicken stock, my love? Cool. Get a chicken stock.
Oh, it smells delicious, eh?
Down it. If it comes out good, totally did not plan that. Not too much. So what we just added, we added some tomatoes, we added some jalapenos, and some serranos. Get that crazy ass kick. All right, reveal time. Let's start off with the side. The side is going to be some white rice. Obviously, something you always need to have whenever making gumbo, but here it is. Here's the star of the show.
Bubbles, my bubbles.
She's ready, boys.
Ooh, look at that.
Sausage, chicken. I need to smell this. Y'all should smell this right here. Insane. Insane smell.
All right, so we're about to enjoy this delicious gumbo my baby made.